Hello everyone. In this video, we will take a closer look at FreeCAD version 1.0 and Fusion 360. FreeCAD is an open-source software, which means it is completely free to use. It is supported by a community of developers and has a modular structure. You can add workbenches and extensions depending on what you need. It is highly customizable and flexible. FreeCAD 1.0 has improved stability and new features compared to older versions. It is great for hobbyists, engineers who like open-source tools, and those who want full control of their design process without paying subscription fees. However, its interface may feel less polished compared to commercial software, and some workflows can be slower for beginners. Fusion 360 is made by Autodesk and is a commercial product. It is based on cloud integration, meaning you can store files online and access them from anywhere. Fusion 360 has professional features built in such as parametric modeling, simulation, generative design, and integrated CAM tools for manufacturing. It also has real-time collaboration, which is useful if you are working in teams. The interface is smoother and more user-friendly for new users. But Fusion 360 requires a subscription for commercial use, and while there are free licenses for hobbyists and students, they come with limitations. If you want a free and open platform that you can customize and expand, FreeCAD 1.0 may be the right choice. If you need advanced features, easier collaboration, and professional support, Fusion 360 may fit your workflow better. Thanks for watching.